Hey guys, it's Roto, and today we will try and fix my foam cannon because it is doing this. So no foam at all. So let me go ahead and disconnect this and we will clean the M2 later. Let's see, let me just place this here. Oh, by the way, I hope there's like a gun in the future that's like I can leave this on like lock like this, so that if I have to fill like a bucket that I don't need to be here, or at least I can do something else while that is filling up. But anyway, so we have this, and oops, this is a mess. This is from my Landroid stuff. I always doing other stuff with it. All right, so I have this one, right? I think this is the filter, and so we will try and change the filter in our foam cannon. This is supposed to be stainless, and ooh, there's like sharp stuff here, so we'll make sure we don't get injured. All right, so first things first, we're gonna dry this one out because I just use it, and I just watched like a couple of videos like this one too, right? So I'll just set this aside here, and we will try and take that pin out. Just make sure this is dry. Just place this here. Hopefully it doesn't fall. It's gonna fall. That's all right. So the thing that I did, or at least that I'm hoping that I have, is, let's see, this one, an Allen wrench that can fit that part. Oh, this is like, there's a hole there. I have to fix that. I'm supposed to open it here. Oops. All right, let's just pull all of this out here and make sure that I fix this later. I just sprayed my M2 with soap, but I think that's fine. Is it this one? Does this fit? No, this does not fit. What about this one? I don't think this fits at all. Maybe this one? This looks like it will fit. Yes, it does. All right. Ooh, it fits. So we're just gonna power through it. You can see that it can, I don't know what size this is, so I can't tell you guys, but I will Google later. And so this is just how I do it. There we go. Seems pretty easy, you know, but trust me, when I saw it I was like, ooh, that seems hard. Okay, so I take this out, and then I think I just push this. Let's see. Yep. There you go. So this stays here, and this is the thing that, ooh, there's like some rust now. But maybe like the filter is really bad, so I'm just gonna put this here. So far, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we're just gonna put this in here and make sure that it is flat. Okay, there you go. That looks like flat. No, that doesn't look flat to me. All right, that looks flat. And then we'll just put it back, and Let's see. Is it getting put back in there? Let's see. I'm gonna push this out again. So this one is in here, right? So it looks like that. And then we will push this in. So we're gonna make sure it's flat, and I know this will fit because the previous one fit. And I think we might just need to have a little push to make it fit. There you go. So just have to push it a bit. Maybe bump it. Let's see. Yep, I see it. Alright. So I just need more. And this looks good enough. Let's see if we can lock this one now. Ooh, we just push this all the way, so. This looks good enough, so I'm gonna use this. There you go. Seems pretty easy, right? So hopefully I did it right. So let's see. Put this in, plug this in again, and I hope that fixes it, because if not, I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. So because it wasn't foaming, and I'm using the Extreme Cleaner Performance from Veloci products, made in the USA. So we'll see. We'll see if this foams. If not, then my vlog is done, and I'm about to share that I failed how to fix my foam cannon. All right, moment of truth. I don't think it fixed it. I don't think there's foam at all, so and I'm pretty sure I put a lot of stuff, right? I think the previous one was better, but this certainly has no foam. So I'm gonna keep using it. Maybe it's still gonna foam. Oops. Just stretch this all the way. Alright. Ah, there's no foam. There is no foam at all. You know what? Just for making sure that we have enough soap here. I'm pretty sure I did, because you know, if you guys watch my previous videos, I put a generous amount of soap here. Actually, let's go use Adam here. Okay, that's a lot because I know that's a lot because I already put a ton of this in here. So, all right, let's see. But so far, it didn't fix my foaming issues. And I don't know what else to look at. So I will ask you guys what else I should be looking at. All right, let's see. So this is without soap, I think. So it does nothing, right? And then if you turn this towards the plus sign, this is supposed to fall. So yeah, let's see. There's no foam at all. Alright, so guess I'm gonna have to do it a little bit manual today, and I guess that's it for my video. If you guys have any idea on how to fix my foam cannon, let me know. And that's it. Thanks, guys.